If for whatever reason you're not getting the notifications that you should be getting when somebody calls you or texts you or for various apps, I'm going to show you how to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing we need to do is make sure you haven't disabled it on your phone. However, we're going to first check the focus mode. So swipe down from the top right and then check to see if you have Do Not Disturb turned on. If you have Do Not Disturb turned on, just toggle it off by tapping on it. You can see I have my YouTube, so I can turn it off like that. However, I'm just going to keep it on because I make these videos and it helps show the screen like this. The next thing we're going to do is head into your settings. So open up the settings, scroll down, and tap on notifications. The first thing we need to do is make sure to turn off scheduled summary. So tap on scheduled summary and make sure this is toggled off. The next thing we'll do is tap on back and then scroll down and go to prioritize notifications. Make sure this is turned off and then summarize notifications and make sure that is turned off. These could be preventing you from getting those notifications. The next thing we'll do is tap the back arrow and then scroll down and find the notification for that specific app. Let's say it's not working for messages. So I'm going to scroll down and tap on messages. Of course, make sure allow notifications is turned on and then scroll down and make sure all three of these are selected. So if they are unselected like this, just tap on it to select them. You'll also want to go through and make sure the banner style is set to temporary or persistent, and you can turn on badges as well. After you've done that, there are some other things that could be the culprit. So let's tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning. From here, tap on battery, and then tap on at the bottom, you can see power mode. Make sure to turn off low power mode. This could be preventing you from getting those notifications. So if it is turned on, just toggle it off. The next thing we will do is tap the back arrow and back arrow again. Go back to the beginning of your settings, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on shutdown. And then just slide to power off your phone. Essentially, this turns off your phone and then just restart it. And that should get everything fixed at that point. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thank you for spending a little bit of it here with me today. And I hope to catch you on the next one.